Hello, folks. Again, this is Niall Amari from Best RV in Chola, California. Today, we're presenting another beautiful Rockwood GEO single axle. Behind us is the 20FB. And again, I'm going to go over quick outside feature because they're all same for the Rockwood GEO Pro. One thing, the nice automotive chrome window, dual pointed cap in the front. All the Rockwood GEO Pro at Best RV only come with 400-watt solar panel on the roof. So as you see, there's two panels on the roof. All the Rockwood GEO, they come with 1800-watt inverters. Frameless window, so you don't have to pattern it anymore. It's a nice finishing. Two-step to get in. Asdel fiberglass. Nice torsion bar axle, independent suspensions with aluminum rims. More storage. Power awning with LED light. All Rockwood GEO, they give you the ladder outside. You don't have to buy one. Camera prep. Come with the receivers in the back, so you can put a back rack. Same thing, 30 amp plug. The hookup for the gray water and the black water. Four stabilizers, got two in the front, two in the back. Nice light out. And then you have 6-gallon hot water heater, hot and electric and propane. As well, you have the pass-through storage with both sides accessible. Now, all Rockwood GEOs, they come with outside grill with a work table where you could put them on this rack here. So you could put the grill, the work table, underneath the awning and enjoy cooking outside. Let's go and see the 20FBS. As you see, folks, we're inside the Rockwood GEO 20FBS. This is a brand new 2025 models. And as I said, the typical, the Rockwood GEOs, we talked about the features before, but we're gonna go on this particular. This is the only Rockwood GEO come with a full walk-around bed. So a lot of customers, they said, Niall, I really like the GEO Pro, but me and my wife, we need to have a queen bed in the front. We need to walk around it, so it's easy for us to make the bed in the morning or at night. And that's what it's for. 20FBS, they give you that options. So you see it has a nice full bed. Again, this is the outside grill, aluminum constructions with a handle, 2 doors, socks, underwears, so on. So it's a nice full walk around bed, storage closet on both sides. Now you have again a beautiful sofa with eating table. You can see beautiful because you can do it both the way. And by the way, this is a sofa could turn to a bed. And it has the footrest arm in the middle with a cup holder. Across from it, you have nice 32-inch smart TV. And again, this TV run off 12 volts, as you see. Big one-piece sink, deep with the faucet. And then you have solid wood brush strap doors, self-closing on the GEO. Nice oven and a 3-burner range on the Rockwood GEOs. You have a light and hood, and again, this one, the TV, I forgot to mention to you guys, it is also a stereo with the speakers inside, speakers outside. As well, you could choose if you want to go from TV to FM to outside device. So, and then you go like this, and then go to the TV. So you could change between TV and radio on this smart TV. So it's a smart TV. It has Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, as well as a TV. Now look, I'm getting reception from the outside based on the TV antenna, and same thing, I could use this one as a stereo. So that's the advantage of this TV here. And again, it's on a string bracket, so I could watch it from the bedroom. So if I'm laying down on this bed, right, I could watch the TV with no problem. Even if I'm not laying down on the bed, I'm just strictly just sitting here watching the TV from the sofa. I could watch it no problem. So that's the beautiful about this TV. Back to the kitchen, they give you room for over the hood. We talk about the oven and 3-burner range. We talk about the fridge. It's a 12-volt reefer, so you don't have to worry about propenes. And run off the solar panel on the roof. You have the microwave, beautiful. So it has 2 panels on the roof, 1800-watt inverter, 13.5 air conditions, frameless window, power awning, slide out, loaded. And as well in the back, you have that huge bathroom. Look how big the sink, a nice prepping area. 2 medicine cabinet for his and her. Additional medicine cabinet. Porcelain toilet, not a plastic. No issue for needs. And a big showers with a skylight and door. And this one has also the water saving system for the hot water heat. So perfect unit. Half-ton towable. Now why people they buy the Geo Pro is because the weight. This 20FBS weight only, I'm reading right here, only 35.26. So this Rockwood GEO only weighs 3,500 pounds. Any any half-ton towable truck, they pull between 5 to 65. So that unit is the perfect unit. Come to Best RV. Again, I'm gonna say it again and again, and sometimes I feel like maybe the customer is gonna get sick for me say it again in every video. We give you the best price, lowest price in California. We are sure no one will match us, and we give you no hidden fees and free get ready package, free dealer prep, free walkthrough, free orientation. Come to Best RV and grab this unit.